Listen up, beautiful babes. When I first heard about putting one little clove in coffee, I said, what? What is that supposed to do? But after trying it myself, I understood real quick why people are obsessed with this little morning trick. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how I make it, the measurements I use, and the benefits of every ingredient. It is simple. 1 cup of hot brewed coffee, or I did cheat today. I used instant coffee. Okay, but that's all right. But anyway, y'all know coffee may help increase alertness, energy, and focus thanks to its natural caffeine content. Now, here's the game changer. 1 whole clove. The cloves contain antioxidants and natural compounds that may help support digestion, fresh breath, and overall wellness. That's it, beautiful babes. Simple, easy, powerful. Let me show you how to make it. First, you brew your coffee, or you can cheat like me and just use a spoonful of instant coffee. Then next, drop 1 whole clove directly into the coffee while it's still hot. Let it sit for about 5 minutes so that the clove can slowly release its warm flavor into the coffee. Now, baby, the smell alone, oh yes, it's rich, cozy, spicy, and comforting. Then sip slowly and enjoy. What people notice? Now, everybody's body is different, but many people say that this little combo helps them feel more awake, warm and energized, less sluggish in the morning, more satisfied after drinking coffee, a comforting feeling in the stomach after meals. And honestly, beautiful babes, it just makes regular coffee feel extra special. Now, I'm not a coffee drinker, but I had to try this. And now that I have, I might be onto something that I truly, truly love. Why cloves are so popular? See, cloves have been used traditionally for years because they contain natural antioxidant compounds. Many people enjoy them as part of wellness routines because they're warming, flavorful, and aromatic. And paired with coffee, baby, it tastes like a cozy little cafe drink right at home. Now, if you decide to try this coffee trick, start simple, exactly like I showed you today. 1 cup of coffee, 1 whole clove. That's it. And let me know in the comments if you would try this. Okay. All right, beautiful babes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty, wellness, home, and grown woman glow up content. And remember, taking care of yourself after 50 is still a whole vibe. Toodles.